Hello and welcome. Right now, I'm experiencing a connection issue with my OpenVPN. Let's go ahead and fix that together. First, head over to the Try Hack Me website and navigate to the Access page. From there, choose a server that's closest to your location. In my case, I'll select EU Regular One. Next, download the server's configuration file. Once it's downloaded, right-click on the OpenVPN icon and choose to import the latest configuration file. After that, restart the connection and voila, you're now successfully connected. That's it. Thanks for following along.